Yeah, what can I say? I think everyone is very disappointed and sad that we are eliminated today. Um, I think we had the right plan, and everyone saw that in the first half. We had 3 open chances in the first half an hour. Normally the game has to be done then, but when you miss those chances in that level, you pay the bill later. And we paid the bill with a lucky goal. A corner, we had it out of the 16, the guy shoots, touch the leg, comes again in the feet of a Cameroon player and he can score. I think that was the first half. So normally Cameroon could never lead at that moment. So the second half we said to each other to go on like this because Cameroon didn't have an answer on the way we played. But then unfortunately very soon in the second half we get the second goal. And then you know that it will be very difficult because at that moment Cameroon stayed very well as a block on their own 16 and kicked the ball in front, and then they had some players, very quick players, who tried to be dangerous. We still had chances in the second half, and yeah, we scored a little bit late. There was not enough time because otherwise I think we could have maybe played a draw and have extra time. As I said before the game, that this team of Cameroon plays with a big heart, fighting spirit, our physical very strong, and that it was a tough opponent, and I thought we saw that today. My players did what they have to do, 90 minutes, they fight for it, but yeah, that can happen again, and disappointments for all of us.